Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fermented Foods channel by Jyoti. Today I'm going to be showcasing an ancient Telugu recipe called as Pachi Pulusu. So the Pachi Pulusu that I'm going to make needs to have Urad dal soaked water. So what I did here was soak the Urad dal, wash the Urad dal multiple times and then soak it for a good 6 to 8 hours with lots of water. And take 1 cup of the Urad dal soaked water, add 2 cups of plain water to this earthen pot, and then I'm going to be adding a few things that will help the probiotic bacteria grow. So this is mustard powder. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, and mustard powder acts as a prebiotic. It helps with the fermentation process, and it ferments the probiotics well. This is brown sugar, Jaggery water that I have dissolved and kept. This is about 2 spoons of Jaggery. So I'm going to be adding that, mix it up. And then here is chopped onion, green chili, and jeera. So onion is a prebiotic, has a lot of prebiotics in it, so you need to have, which helps the probiotics develop. And green chili is the same qualities too. So you add that, mix it up nicely. Mix it up well, and now I'm going to be adding the tamarind paste. And it is almost ready. Now what you need to do is you need to do a tadka. I did a tadka with rye, jeera, red chilli, hing, and curry leaves. And then you do the tadka, let it cool down because you cannot add it hot, and mix it in nicely. Now this concoction is all ready. You add salt according to your taste and let this ferment for about 2 hours before you have it. So if you make it in the morning, you can eat it in the afternoon. You can eat it in the afternoon. If you make it in the afternoon for dinner is a good time. So this is how it is, and the Urad dal water is what will increase the probiotics by a good number. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and please comment, subscribe, follow, and share the recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.